I mean, I guess we can't all be blessed with perky boobs. And if you're like me, child, today's video is just for you. Hey Stitchers, it's your girl Kris. Welcome on into the channel if you're new here. Welcome back to the channel if you are already a subscriber. Today we are talking boobies because unfortunately all of us are not blessed enough to have girls that sit at attention. At least mine don't, at least not anymore, not after having 2 kids. Gravity has definitely been playing a huge part with my chest. Like, they're just playing along and going closer and closer to the ground every given year. Anywho, today's video we are going to focus on adjusting a princess seamed bodice to lower the bust apex. A couple weeks ago I shared here on the channel a hack of my cashmerette Wayland dress. I absolutely loved it, and I think part of the reason I loved it so much was because, if I do say so myself, I freaking nailed the fit of that dress. Now, instead of using the cashmerette skirt that comes along with the Wayland dress or any of the other patterns in the Upton line which are interchangeable with the Wayland, I went ahead and hacked it using the Jameson skirt by my girl Jilly of the Curated Curvy. And as I just said, you guys, I absolutely loved it. Now, if you missed it and you want to see what my hat looked like and you want to catch some of the behind the scenes, then I'll go ahead and drop the video in right here. Now, as part of making that video, I did capture the process of lowering my bust apex. But when I was editing that video, you guys, it was just way too long. And so I decided to bring it as a standalone video here on the channel, a tutorial on how to lower your bust apex. Now, I will say up front, if I had thought initially to do this video as a tutorial, then I probably would have gone in and used a Sharpie instead of a pencil, because it would have been a lot easier for you guys to see here on film. But I'm hoping, notwithstanding, you are still able to follow along with this tutorial. It is, in my view, a very quick and easy tutorial, and it makes a hell of a difference. Now, just before I show you the steps on how to lower your apex, I thought it necessary to say that cashmerette patterns are, in my opinion, very well drafted. They are size inclusive, and in addition to being size inclusive, they are also bust cup friendly. Now, I'm not saying that other companies do not have necessarily cup sizes in this range. I'm just saying that I have never come across any that draft for a C all the way up to an H cup. That means if you are a little bit more endowed, then your likelihood of having to do a full bust adjustment is drastically decreased. Now, in my case, I am a sewing C cup, and I oftentimes have to do a full bust adjustment, and I relish every time I do a cashmere pattern that I can skip the full bust adjustment. Not that I find them difficult at all, it's just that a full bust adjustment is obviously an additional step in my fitting process. Now, even though cashmere drafts for a C cup, which I am, I do have to go ahead and lower the apex because, as I said, these girls just do not cooperate like they once did. And instead of bashing the girls, like, why would I do that? Gravity is a part of life, bodies change, and so I figured out very early on how to make a fitting adjustment to accommodate where the apex is. And that is exactly what I'm hoping to demonstrate in today's video. So if this applies to you, then keep on watching. right, you guys, there you had it, a very quick and I think easy tutorial on how to lower the apex of a princess seamed bodice. This adjustment in my mind is invaluable. It is simple, it is quick, it is easy, and it is really, really, really effective. So do not shy away from doing fitting adjustments if your body needs them. There's no way that pattern companies can draft for every single eventuality. You may have the same bust, waist, and hips in terms of your circumference measurement, but where they lie are not the same for every one of us. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, if you derived any benefit from it, if you learned something new, then be sure to go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below and let me know whether you are in the lower titty club. You guys, if your boobs just don't stand loud and proud anymore, it is what it is. It is what it is. Go ahead and make this adjustment and let me know if you found it easy enough to follow along with. Now, if you're new to the channel, then please also consider subscribing. I try to bring you videos every Sunday and sometimes a couple sprinkled in during the week. And yeah, just come and hang out with me and join my YouTube family. Now, you guys, until next time, stay calm, stay cool, stay safe, and absolutely get to fitting. Peace.